And a comfortable margin here for the 76ers guys.
Yung lollipop nila. Ganun talaga yun. Nakabago dito kasi Papa mo Japet. Papa mo Japet. Pinasa ay tamayo. Tumayo ang botong kanina kay Perez. Bang! Guard!
Boy, such
yun.
outstanding patience and decision making for them offensively.
Tulog aim na ba yan? Kobe, tapos 10.
On offense, here are the Heat.
Kobe 10,
They trail by
Kobe
14.
24. Kobe Saya. Uy, putang ina. Kasi Ali Borton, wala pinasok. Hindi ko pinapasok ah. Emergency call. Nag-buster ko
Pulls
sila.
up.
Ay, gago.
Can't get it to go.
Sabi sa'yo, lugi tayo sa rebound. Walang 7-footer eh.
Second chance effort. And the layup is good.
That finish brings me back to the old days. Silky smooth finger roll.
Quarter number 2. We're about a minute in.
7-footer na.
Makes the lead pass.
Talon na lang. Talon!
2 points with a chance for one more at the free throw line.
Huge match yun oh.
Give an assist there, not for the pass, but for the solid screen set on the inside that freed him up and made the layup possible.
Halaksain ka na rin eh.
And the 76ers making a change here.
Uy, may dalawa oh. Dalawang tower na. Japet. At saka Papa mo
To the
Japet.
paint.
Sige. Sige.
Puts it up for the
Huli
second.
ka.
It's blocked.
Kaya talaga, mga night niya. Ang mga bansot. Si Papa mo Japet.
Moves off the pick and hammers it home.
Boom! Durug. Sino yun? Caliburton ba yan? Durug ah. Sabi ka doon? Ano, may bayag ka to doon. Makabihin na yung isa mo.
Into the second quarter now.
Isa basketball. Isa.
And the Heat call time here.
Karot na. Agla boss. Isa ano mo nalaman eh.
And the 76ers making a change here.
Naka. Kitang ina ka. Ito, hindi pa tapos yung kwarto. Kung hindi na masyadong mahangin. Yung talo na yan. Talo tayo sa kastahan na. Ako, mapapatay yung ano natin. Mga ninuno. Karot. Uy! Yung mga agong lollipop. Ipapa mo Davis. Sabi ko rin. Salam pa lang yung play. Nag-leader mo ko. Itintura na ito. Davis Kate. Talon. Tapos lang ako yung tatalon.
It's holding by LeBron.
There was just enough
Iba talaga
defensive
pang
pressure
payat
to
laban
get
sa
him off
kabatay.
balance.
Uy, grabe ka. Sanabay ka ha. Hindi ka pwedeng gumanon sa harapan ni
Miami will
Pangabo.
retain possession.
Ano kasi
And
pa
the Heat making
hindi
a change here.
Hindi naman pwedeng ganun tatong. Yun yung first time eh.
And here in the second, 2 minutes
Yung
gone by.
libreng lollipop dyan sa loob. Meron ba? Nasa sahig. Ito. Charging ko lang.
Foul.
Charot, dito charging yung bala. Illegal na yun. Walang tambao naman. Pero umahaba pa yung kwarto mga ito ganun nangyari. Kaamada to. Yung Edwards ka. Edwards ka niya. Sige, pantay mo tapo mo. Gago shit yan.
From 14.
Sarap lang. Gago na ribon niya.
Offensive rebound. And he gets it to go.
Kahit ko na Barbie, wala kasing kahit ko. Napago na lang.
Quarter 2,
Bardo.
just under 2 minutes gone by.
Walang capacity maglaro ko. Saka nabibigyan ng laro sa loob.
And the first one at the line is good.
Hindi siya ulit yan. Hindi pwedeng
That one falls, so it's both of them.
Para mangyayari pa ng black bilat. Black bilat. Sarap na. Sarap na lang, tres. Sarap na.
We're just over 2.5 minutes into the second quarter.
Dito lang yan, PBA lang yan. Margo. PBA
6 on the shot clock.
Tinrace up. Ay, gago ka!
Lays it up, and despite
Papa mo,
an excellent
Davis ka,
defensive
Mado.
end, he
Hindi
has
dapat
6.
bang Adebayo to?
He can wipe that offensive glass too, Steve. I mean, he turns a whole lot of misses into makes.
And the 76ers call time here. Guys, they've really built a nice lead here.
And I'll tell you what, I don't see any sign of them slowing down.
Tang, mo!
Off the screen.
Ay,
The
ay,
shot
ay.
is off.
Sabay. Wala sa dero. Uy, grabe. Papa mo Dwight, bantay si Lebron. Yung mala. Davis na naman. GTTV lang tayo. Gago to eh. Ano mo, Ano ka pa si Tinday ka? Uy, hindi ka. Tukbong ka. Ano?
Fine right. It's off the rim.
Ano yung mga asip ka doon?
No breathing room at all to take that shot.
Sa NBA lang meron nun. Aluwag sa iyo. Ooh! Ano na agad eh? Ano na agad si Bobo?
The 76ers
Ganun ba
making the
yun?
switch here.
Ano na agad? Ano, pipila kaya ka talaga niyan. Sabi sa'yo, wala na injury eh. Talon ka ng talon eh, no? Tipaklaw.
And Philadelphia has possession. 17
Ano,
points was
talon ka
their
ng
biggest
talon, di
margin.
ka sure? Ganyan dapat o, talon ka pag sure nyo. Wow!
He's got 5.
That is not
Basic.
enough coverage. Got to do better than that
Basic.
defensively. Basically,
Ano,
no
lupin
coverage.
na
I
to?
mean, defense did not look very good
Ano,
there.
mga 99 pa man din yung mga, ano, mga lahat kayo, may star, tapos, wala lang. Igawi na si Lebron. Ang mahal na si Papa mo, Bron. Matanda na yun, wait lang, wait lang si Tawardo. Bakit bagas, bagas na yun. Hindi na sa ano yun, Papa mo, Dwight.
Let's the 3 flies.
Kaya,
Ramos.
Reynolds. Ang pagka pa Reynolds.
LeBron James on the wing.
Grabe, kampaw, boss Lebron. Tangino na talagang palagyan. Tangino yun si Lebron. All the way na, Papa Lebron. Parang si Lebron. Umabot tayo yun. Second quarter pa lang pala. Ala-ala, third quarter na. Kambiyaw.
Downtown.
Sinira ka ng tres. Tangino
Good
shoot.
D by LeBron.
Tangino shoot yan. Shoot ba yan?
Smart. And Philadelphia grabs the miss.
Terrific job that time defending at the rim. I mean, it's not an easy task stopping that fella when he's headed to the bucket like that. Good job.
6 seconds separating the shot and
Mo
game
naman.
clocks. And
Yun.
the shot is good.
Uy mo yun, nakashoot si Papa mo, kambiyaw. Kambiyaw. Kambaw. Parang alabaw, kambiyaw. Baw. Alabaw. Baw. Amo James. LeBron James. Tangin mo, hindi ko malis sa ito. Ang nanood, guys.
Purely
He's got 8.
from a size standpoint,
Ano?
that is a mismatch that's going to be hard to overcome
Uy,
defensively.
grabe yun.
And there's the rejection.
Buti daw yung Papa
And
mo
we
pa
finished one
harap.
half of basketball.
Wala nga ito sa halftime report. Ano report mo dyan? Nag-drop it. 9.10. Oh my god. Agit. Puro ay gabi.